So this YouTube channel is starting to show signs of life. I'm really pleased with that. There's a few subscribers coming in. There's a few views coming in. Look, it's really small at the moment. But the main reason I put these videos out is actually to help myself. It helps me get my mind clear and whatnot on what's going on in the markets. It helps me repeat it out there. So it helps me with my own trading actually. And while I'm putting these videos out, I can actually spot things in the market that help me. So it's actually for really selfish reasons really, but I am putting the videos out there for you. I'm really pleased and I thank you for those guys that are interested and have subscribed. I'm going to do my best to keep on putting content out there and giving you daily trades, giving you information and whatever you need for your trading. Please feel free to comment on what kind of information you might need. I do understand all the trading systems, even though I'm quite unique to my own trading system. Hey, it's Rob Guilty, it's Logical Trading. We all know trading is risky. 80% of traders lose money, and you might lose money too. So on that point, if you're going to trade and you're new to trading, you've got to understand that most of your trading is going to come from your psychology. It's all up here, right? It's all about you. It's all about how you think, and it's all about being able to lose and being able to win as well. Being able to win with some dignity. If you're getting excited about your wins, you're going to get super depressed about your losses. So be very careful of your psychology when it comes to this. But with it coming into New Year, I just wanted to wish everyone a happy New Year. May you have a fantastic time, have a good party. Let's get to it in the new year. This channel I've just opened up to try and see how we go. As I said, I'm doing the videos and it helps me with my own trading, so I'm quite happy to continue on with that. And I see the channel is starting to actually pick up a little bit, so I'm not like talking to no one at least. At least that. And it'll be great if it gets better and more people join and more people are interested. So if you can, like, comment and subscribe. And if you don't like the videos, just don't watch them. I mean, it's really not that difficult. And if you do like the videos, I'm going to try and put them out there so that you can all enjoy them. Guys, have a great new year. Cheers, it's Rob Giltil. Bye.